Welcome to Sustaira. Thank you so much for tuning in today to watch a demo video of one of our application templates. Let's jump in. Today, we're going to go through a demo of our Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion application template. Just like the other areas of sustainability, DEI is up against a data aggregation problem. A lot of the data around diversity, equity, and inclusion is going to be spread out. It either sits in specific departments, in different databases or systems, or even just with people inside their heads. And companies are starting to make clear goals around this topic, but don't have a way to gather everything and make those goals actionable, transparent, and accountable. Which is why Sustaira has built this diversity, equity, and inclusion template for you. What this is going to do is it's going to provide real time dashboarding around all of that data, bringing it all together so that you have a better understanding of where you are now versus where you want to be. Now, this is a sensitive topic. It's one that is often hard to address in an organization, but is very, very important to do so. And it hits close to home for me. Personally, as a woman, especially a woman in tech, we all want to see more women at the top of organizations. But again, there's a lack of data around that. How many VPs are female? How many CEOs are female? Once you have that data, that is when change can happen. You can set goals, act upon those goals, and eventually achieve them. So, with our DEI template, we're going to give you that dashboarding, and each of these building blocks can be rapidly extended with various features to make sure you're hitting the goals that you set within diversity, equity, and inclusion. This also offers integration with all backend systems. By bringing it all together here, you're going to have easy to share results both internally and externally so that you can see the positive change you're making to be more inclusive in your workplace. The next application I'd love to show you is our Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion, or DEI app. Now, this module is a wonderful example of how quickly our expert team can deliver on the Mendix platform. This entire application that we're going to walk through today was built by a single developer in less than a week. Now, starting from this main dashboard, first you're going to see some randomly generated data to show you overviews of your overall DEI score, race statistics, gender statistics, and more. At the top, you can even view recommendations that are made based from outliers in your employee data and convert these recommendations into projects in that goals and KPI tracker application that we explored first. So allow me to expand here. Perhaps in a certain area in your company, you're very heavily male. Well, a recommendation might be to hire at least X amount of non male employees in that department. If I select View Progress, you'll see that this is now a tile in that first module. So not only can Sustaira integrate with your existing systems, but each of these tiles will speak with each other so that you don't have to duplicate data across tiles. Heading back to our DEI page, using this sidebar, I can actually navigate to different areas of this app. And first, let's explore our employee overview. In this overview, you can filter to quickly view group and individual statistics, inequities, and inequalities. Each of these sorting methods can go as specific as you would like them to go. Last but not least, if we head over to the Equalizer tab, you can see what is possible with charting, chart zoning, and category filtering on dynamic displays. So any of these KPIs or filtering methods can be customized to fit whatever DEI goals you might have as an organization or department. This is just an example of how we might visualize compensation based on gender, or perhaps even compensation by location. Again, all of this can be changed and tailored to fit your needs.